if you're using 2007 or below, if error will not be available. Okay, but in that case there is something called as is NA is available. Okay, but it becomes cumbersome to using is NA, but is NA is one of the thing that you can use. Okay, so is NA will evaluate. So let's say as an example here I will write this. So it has given me NA. So what does is NA do? Is NA do that is NA just search whether this is NA or not. If this is NA, it will produce true as the output. See, it is producing true as the output. If I search for is NA on this is not NA, so it will produce false as the output. So is NA is a test whether the output is NA or not. Okay. What about is error? Is error. If NA is a error or not. So see, is error also gives that this is an error. Okay. But error will have value also is an error. So as an example, we did a mistake, right? Let's say we did that mistake. Again, we do that. Wherein we saw that it was giving value error. Okay. So on this, if I say is NA, it will say false. It is not a is an error. It says false. It is not an error. But if I say is error, you say yes, true. It is error. Some error is there. Okay. So it is error only will work. So if you see, if you have to actually see the documentation for this all, see checks whether the value is an error. So is error, it will do for value ref div by 0 num name null. It does not consider NA. Okay. So see here I saw it, I gave you is error. Okay. But if I give you is error, it says false, because is error, it does not consider NA as an error. NA as error it is not considering because it is not available. Okay. But is error, it considers NA also as an error. See, is error, it considers NA value, everything as error. Okay, so there is a difference between is error and is error. Okay, so many times you may be, if you are working in old system, you may have to use this type of thing to find out if there is NA error or other errors. Okay, but I hope that you are using 2010 and above version, so there will be no issue like that.